Auto Glory content. You gotta appreciate his consistency. So we got a C5 that's built to the max, but LS3 engine, stock bottom end, heads cam, Vortec V7, supercharger E85, 900 wheel, manual transmission under 3K pounds, so that's just super light. Wow, you know that shit gonna be quick. Versus the infamous single turbo M4. We all love it. Hold on. I was wondering where this thing was. And the M4 single turbo E85 math, full weight, boost by Garrettson. So full weight versus down there a 3,000 pound car. Wow. This should be good. Woo, shit. That boost by gear helps it for a lot, but that 5 is very strong. The power to weight is what helps it a lot, I can see. I can tell, like, right here, this is when the power to weight really went in. If he didn't just have to shift, he wouldn't have lost. He would have definitely had to overtook him. But due to, of course, shifting, it seemed like it lost a little bit of boost. Oh yeah. Yeah, that C5 is different. 900 wheel under, man. Ooh, upper pulley intake, CAD delete 85. That's it. That's all we got. Versus the built M3, basically. Cause I'm pretty sure, I'm like, is everything else stock? The turbo kit? Like he didn't build anything else? Well, that's just very fast for what it is. Like, I love to watch this dude race. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna suspect the 500 to win for sure. Can they line up? Damn. Oh shit! This 3 is fast as fuck. Wow. Oh, did he get him? Wow. Oh, it looked like the 500 overtook him at the top end. Unless the 3 let off, but shit. $60 to 160, F81 here, 500 would have walked 160 plus. We need more. That's what I'm saying. The 500 definitely would have got on 160 plus. Cars are very evenly matched. That was a good one. For sure. I like that. I like battles like that. That was both of those races was like super even. He been bringing some heat. The match has been really good. Shout out to Auto Glory. I mean, you always dropping quality content. When does he ever fail? I think he should be easy at 500K. But I don't understand that. I know it's algorithm shit is weird.